My dear students, now I am starting next chapter, that is amines and its photosynthetic classification. So at first we have to know what is amino group. So first group amino group is NH2. When we talk about its general formula, what we have RNH2. Yes, example is like this: CH3NH2. Common name is methylamine. One carbon, so methyl. What we have to add? Amine. Common name. For high-weightage system, what we have to do? Methane, we have to substitute E and add amine. So what we have? Methanamine, aliphatic compounds. That is what we see, that N is attached with what we see, benzene ring, phenyl ring. So common name is NNL. Yes. high-weightage name is what we see, benzene. Yes. E is substituted and what we have to add? Amines. What is have? Benzenamine. Now when we talk about the high-weightage name, so what we have? So alkane minus E, then what we have to add? Amines. What we have? Alkane amine. Yes. Now this, all the primary, secondary and tertiary amine is what we see, derived from the ammonia. How? By substituting by R. R means alkyl group. If one R, primary amine. If two R, what is secondary amine. If three R, tertiary amine. Yes, you know. Number of, on the basis of number of R, you can say which one is primary, which one is secondary, which one is tertiary. Yes. Now the classification of amine. So three types: primary amine, first degree amine, that is also known as primary first degree amine. General formula always keep in mind, RNH2. Yes. Example is what you see, maybe CH3NH2. You can keep any R over here. If methyl, methylamine. If ethyl, ethylamine. If propyl, propylamine. If butyl, what is butylamine, etc. Next one is secondary, second degree. That is the first degree amine. That is the second degree amine. Yeah. So general formula is like this: R, R, N. Yes. So how many R over here? 2 R. So that is secondary amine. So example of this one is CH3N, CH3N. Nitrogen is generally what you see, trivalent. So 2 methyl over here. So common name is how many methyl? 2 methyl. So what we can write? Dimethylamine. When we talk about the high-weightage system, so how many alkyl over here? 2. So for one alkyl, what we have to add? N. Yes. N dash, what is over here? Methyl. So what we can write? N methyl. Yes. Then what the alkyl group here? Methyl. So what we can write? Methanamine. Yeah. That is about the secondary amine. Now the tertiary amine. Yes. So in tertiary amine, when we talk about the GF of the tertiary amine, what we have? 3R over here. N. In this case, now nitrogen, no any H over here. So example is like this: CH3, N, CH3, CH3. Very simple example. So common name is how many methyl? 3. So we have to, what we can write? Trimethylamine. When we talk about the amine, so how many methyl? 3. So for 2 methyl, what we have to keep? N. Yes. Dash. Then what we see? How many carbon? 1 carbon. So methane. E is substituted and what we have to add? Amines. What we have? N dimethyl methanamine. That is the high-weightage system. Yes. Now the high-weightage name of the aromatic compound. How to do? So very simple. Like what you say, aliphatic compound. No any problem over here. So what is that? Is benzene ring, you know. So when NH amino group over here, so common name is aniline, very important solvent, generally used in what you see, organic chemistry. So high-weightage system of what you see, benzene. Benzene is substituted by amines. What we have? Benzenamine. N, yes, CH3. So what is that? Is secondary amine. So what we have? Methyl aniline. As a whole we talk aniline. Yes. high-weightage system is what we see, methyl group. So what we can write? N methyl. Then what we have? Benzene. Benzenamine. NH over here. Next one is what we see, N CH3 phenyl group. So that is third degree amine. It is second degree. It is third degree amine. Yes. So how many? 2 methyl groups. So common name is dimethyl aniline. Yes. When you talk about the high-weightage system, what we see? 2 methyl group over. So what we can write? N, N dash dimethyl. Then what we have to write? Benzenamine, not methenamine. So what we can write over here? Benzenamine. Yes. Last one is what you see, CH2, two different alkyl group, methyl, that is ethyl. So what the common name? Ethyl methyl aniline, common name. But we must know it's what you see IPAC system. So what you see alphabetically, E, that is the yum, methyl yum, start from yum, that is start from the E, ethyl. So what the IPAC name? N ethyl. Yes, alphabetically it comes first. So N ethyl, then N dash methyl, N methyl, then what we have? Benzenamine. So that is about the what see, what are the amines groups, what are the what's common name, and what are the IPAC name of this compound, yes, and what are the classification of the amine. So if you know, so you have never problem. So thank you for watching this video.